Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. Today, we're going to explore how to use Facebook groups to enhance your childcare business operations. Facebook groups are a fantastic tool for building a community, sharing information, and engaging with parents and staff. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Facebook groups are useful, how to create and manage your groups, what to post, and how to maintain a basic posting schedule. We'll also cover other relevant features and tools. In this video, we'll be going over why Facebook groups are useful, how to create a group, managing your group, and posting content. Facebook groups are a powerful way to create a sense of community among families, staff, and supporters of your childcare business. Groups allow for direct communication, the sharing of updates, and the organization of events. They also provide a platform for parents to ask questions, share experiences, and stay informed about what's happening at your center. By fostering engagement and connection, Facebook groups can enhance family satisfaction and involvement, which is crucial for the success of your childcare business. Let's start by creating a Facebook group. If you don't have a Facebook account, it's easy and free to sign up for one. Log into Facebook and click on the Groups tab in the left-hand menu. From here, you'll then select Create New Group. You'll then be brought to the page where you can create your group. You'll need to enter a name and choose the level of privacy you'd like in your group. A public group means that anyone on Facebook can see who's in the group and what is posted. With a private group, only members within the group can see who's a part of the group and what's being posted. For a childcare business, a private group is usually best to ensure privacy and security. You can then choose to make the group visible or hidden. When a group is visible, your group may come up in searches, although because your group is private, no one can see what's being posted within your group. With a hidden group, only members that are specifically invited will be able to view the group. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click the Create button on the bottom left-hand corner. From here, follow the steps to finish setting up your group by inviting people to join, adding a cover photo, adding a description to let members know the purpose of your group, and creating an introductory post. Managing your Facebook group involves keeping it active, welcoming, and informative. As the group admin, you can add and approve new members, set group rules, and moderate posts. Make sure to regularly check for any pending member requests and approve or decline them based on your criteria. Set clear group rules to ensure respectful and relevant discussions. You can also appoint moderators to help manage the group and maintain a positive environment. Posting regular content is key to keeping your group engaged. Here, you can create posts and share updates about your childcare center, including announcements, event reminders, and policy changes. When creating a post, you can add photos and videos of daily activities, special events, and classroom highlights. Encourage staff and parents to share their own content, such as questions, tips, or positive experiences. This not only keeps the group lively, but also fosters a sense of community and shared involvement. A consistent posting schedule helps maintain engagement and ensures that your group remains active. When creating posts, you can even choose to schedule them further in the future, so you can create and schedule a variety of posts all at once. For example, aim to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. You could share a weekly update every Monday, a midweek reminder or announcement on Wednesday, and a fun activity or event highlight on Friday. Consistency builds trust and keeps your members informed and engaged. Facebook groups offer several features that can enhance your group's functionality. Use the Events feature to create and manage events. By clicking the Create Event button, you can create and notify all members of your group of special events at your childcare center. The Files section allows you to upload and share important documents such as handbooks, schedules, and forms. When creating posts, the poll feature can be used to gather feedback or make decisions collectively. You can also pin important posts to the top of the group feed by clicking on the 3 dots on the post and then choosing Pin to Featured. This ensures that important posts remain at the top of the group feed, ensuring that they are seen by all members of the group. When creating a Facebook group for your childcare business, it's important to include key stakeholders who can contribute to and benefit from the group. Start by inviting parents to the children you care for, as they will appreciate the updates, resources, and the community support. Include your staff members to foster collaboration and keep everyone informed about important announcements and events. Consider adding local community members and partners, such as nearby schools, childcare resource centers, and other childcare businesses to expand your network and enhance community engagement. By including a diverse group of members, you can create a vibrant, supportive, and informative space that benefits everyone involved in your childcare business. Setting clear rules for your Facebook group is essential to maintain a positive, respectful, and productive environment. Rules help establish a foundation for appropriate behavior and interactions, ensuring that all members feel safe and valued. They prevent misunderstandings and conflicts by clearly outlining what is acceptable and what is not. Additionally, rules help keep the group focused on its primary purpose, avoiding distractions and off-topic discussions. By enforcing these guidelines, you can create a supportive community where members can share information, ask questions, and collaborate effectively. Ultimately, well-defined rules contribute to the overall success and harmony of your Facebook group, making it a valuable resource for your childcare business. Here are some suggested rules for a childcare business group. Be respectful. Treat all members with kindness and respect. Personal attacks, harassment, and discrimination will not be tolerated. No spam or self-promotion. Avoid posting irrelevant links, promotions, or advertisements. This group is focused on supporting our childcare community. Keep it confidential. Respect the privacy of others. Do not share personal information or photos without permission. Stay on topic. Ensure that your posts and comments are relevant to the group's purpose. Off-topic discussions may be removed to keep the group focused. Use appropriate language. Refrain from using offensive language or inappropriate content. We aim to create a safe and welcoming environment for everyone. Facebook groups are an invaluable tool for building community, enhancing communication, and keeping everyone informed and engaged. By creating and managing a group, posting regular content, and utilizing Facebook's features, you can significantly improve your childcare business operations. Give Facebook groups a try and see how they can benefit your business.